What's going on, guys? Another video for you guys today. I'm trying to do more of my meals, so I'm actually going to be making my burrito bowl. I honestly eat this probably 3 to 4 times a week, if not the entire work week. I did adjust it a little bit too, so sometimes I don't add the sauce, but I did want to include this one. I'm gonna go over just the ingredients. Rice, cumin, salt, the veggies here, some hummus, and some baby spinach. I already cooked my rice and my beans. I highly suggest just cooking your own beans. I'll put my beans over here. So you guys can buy canned beans. I just don't like canned beans. If you have time, just cook them. You guys know that I cook all my beans. So I cooked my black beans, so I have those, and same thing for my rice. Alright guys, so this whole meal is very simple. As you guys can see, I just tossed everything into a pan. I don't use any oils. Stay away from oils. There's no need. If you ever need a product or anything just to avoid any of the sticking, just add some water. And most of the time I actually use frozen veggies, and in this case I had corn, so that helped with the non-sticking of the food. So that helps. Just add a little bit of water and you should be fine. Then I added all of the ingredients, and then I created my little sauce over here on the side. So you want to cook everything for about 15 minutes or so, and it's not necessarily cooking it because I did have cooked beans already. The rice, I mean, it's already cooked. Everything was pre-cooked. All I had to do is basically just heat it up. So as you can see, everything mixed in well. Since I did have the corn, I just had to make sure that one was warm. And then I did put a good layer of baby spinach into my bowl before I actually put all the ingredients into it. Just makes it a lot nicer. It's like a little salad. I don't know if you guys ever go to Qdoba or Chipotle. Basically, that's what they do. They just put the salad at the bottom. Then I just added all of my extras, my little veggies on top, just to make it nice and neat. Usually I don't do this, but again, I had to do it for the YouTube. Might as well. Just a presentation. And I did add my delicious sauce here. There it is. Usually what happens, it looks a lot nicer like this. I actually end up mixing everything together and just eating it. Usually I put it in one of these and take it to work. Just because I am going to eat this now, if I would take it to work, I would just put the veggies on the side so I don't have to cook them together. It sucks, I have to microwave everything at work. But since it is fresh, I'm about to eat this. So there you have it. I did include all the ingredients for it, the measurements, and I'll also add the macros. Damn, boogers. And I'll also add the calorie count for it, and then the little breakdown somewhere over here. So check it out. Let me know how you guys like it. I usually have this 3 to 4 times a week. It's just one of my favorite ones. And I'll keep making more videos on food. So hopefully you guys are liking this little switch up and incorporating more of my workout videos too.